Hello, Arc Electric, on-site, and other leaders. This week's topic, due to numerous circumstances regarding communication. And I see this as one of the major areas that we can all improve. So, the topic, how to communicate effectively. No matter your age, background, or experience, effective communication is the skill that all of us can learn and grow upon. Some of the greatest leaders of all time are simply fantastic communicators. They recognize the value and the true efficiency of the right communication and when. With little self-confidence and knowledge of the basics, we're all able to get our points across with just doing some of the very basic good practices. So today, creating the right culture. We all want the right safety culture. So here we go, number one. Choose the right time. As the saying states, there's a time and a place for everything, and communicating is no different. Avoid starting discussions about heavy topics late in the day, meaning the end of the day, when they're tired, worn out. Few people will be thrilled to be faced with sorting major issues like finances, long-range scheduling, and so on when you're most tired. Instead, deliver the messages and conduct discussions have heavy topics, mornings or early afternoons, when people are most alert, available, and more likely to be able to respond with clarity. Number two, facilitate an open, intimate conversation. Choose the right place, one that provides freedom for the communication to open, to flower, and to come to a maturity. If you need to tell someone something that isn't going to sit well, something major that happened, life-changing event, don't do it publicly. Be respectful. Be mindful of the person communicating to them. All right? And do that in a private place. This will provide space to open the dialogue into a wider and more involved mutual understanding and ensure the two-way process of functioning properly. If you are representing a group of people, and you are, ensure to check the acoustics beforehand and practice projecting your voice clearly. Use a microphone if you have to, depending on the audience and what is the sound like? How loud is it? Want people to hear. Remove distractions. We just talked about hearing. Turn off all electronics that could interrupt the conversation. If the phone rings, laugh it off the first time, but then turn it off immediately and continue talking. Do not allow external distractions to act as crutches that can sidetrack you and or your conversation. And or I should also say concentration of your point of focus. It'll not only distract you, but it'll distract both of you, including your listener, and will effectively kill communications. That's my message for the week. We will continue on communicating next week, and until then, please make good choices. Encourage your employees to make good choices, and we'll look forward to seeing you next week. Take care.